Hello guys. So basically this video is about how to start a gaming channel and grow with multi-speed. At first, as I said, that starting a channel is not just uploading video. In gaming channel you need a good niche. And note, you must have a very high knowledge about the selected niche. Thus this is the topic of today's video. Let's start our video with some examples so you can know better. If you are new here, kindly subscribe the channel and hit that bell icon. Thus let's start. Note, growing a gaming channel is not easy, but I never said impossible. If you have to grow a gaming channel in 2021, you need a lot of hard work for your videos. So, what kind of niche should you prefer as a beginner? Now, as a beginner nobody cares about you because nobody knows you. So stop making videos like, I killed 20 enemies in 2 minutes, because nobody cares what you did. So use your brain and see what is hot topic about your gaming content. Let me take an example so you can know it better. Now as you can see example on your screen, a YouTuber before known as Zendex, he used to upload his gaming videos. As you can see, he is getting very low amount of views. After that he started to upload tips and tricks videos about PUBG mobile game, and he even gets videos views around 1 million. That's the use of brain. That is a small YouTuber, nobody cares about you. Thus many high and successful YouTubers did this trick before, and trust me, it's the only best trick which can suck you in YouTube. Now, don't go directly and start making tips and tricks video. Just try to understand what I am going to say. I never said to make said tips and tricks videos, just find a good topic which is searched most. Let me give you a hint. You can capture some funny or important moments of a famous YouTuber and upload with his permission or credits. So, you shall get a good response, and try to upload video at first. So YouTube will definitely suggest you content to maximum audience. The more active you will be, the more response you will get. Thus if you are interested to know more about how to grow YouTube channel, watch this video. Now use your brain and think wisely, which kind of content you can prefer. For a long time, even I was uploading PUBG mobile montages, but I never got a good response, so I changed my niche and now I am getting more bad response. Lol, but I know this will make me successful in very low time, so I keep uploading videos and never gave up. If you want some more tips about gaming channel, then comment me, I will make it soon as possible. This is all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed video. If you are new here, make sure you press that subscribe button and hit the bell icon for latest updates.